Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we pair Bluetooth earbud with our phone. Guys, you have your any Bluetooth earbud and friends you want to pair with your phone. So how can you pair and guys how can you use your Bluetooth pair setting in your Infinix phone? In this video friends I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So and first of all we will on our phone setting. After phone setting as you will have to scroll it. Hence you can see this type of setting as scroll. More connection setting, tap here, click on your phone Bluetooth setting and guys first of all take out your earbuds. So guys you want to pair one, so I take one, you want to pair both of, I take out your both of earbud and guys you will have to enable your phone Bluetooth. Then we will enable Bluetooth setting and friends you can see this available device, so we will refresh. After refresh guys you can see your earbud Bluetooth earbud company name. So I have got this pre-tone TWS earbud. I will tap here to pair. Then as you can see this pairing, as you can see this your pair notification here guys. Again fan we will off, sometime it's happen. So friends again guys we will click on our earbud Bluetooth earbud. Then as you can see pair with pre-tone TWS notification guys, click on this right side to pair. Then it will pair to your phone and guys you can use. And guys you want to check your battery, so friends you can check 100% battery I have in my Bluetooth earbuds. So like that guys you can pair. After pair guys you want to use any app, Instagram, WhatsApp, YouTube, Snapchat, so you can use your earbud while using this app. So that's it guys, thanks for watching, bye.